You want to learn how to record a voice using the best application and completely free? Watch this video till end and you will know that in 2 minutes. That's true. In 2 minutes you're gonna know that. So first thing, you have to go Google and search on this application ZACK.G.T and click download. So whatever is your Windows, if it's Windows 7, Windows 10, Mac, so they have everything here. I'm not gonna click that because I already have it. After we can open the application. That's the record. You wanna learn how to record. I'm gonna delete that and let's do it again. With this, click here and record. Hello guys, today we're gonna record this video, this sound, and change it. I will change the speed on it. So that's it. Hello guys, today we're gonna record this video, this sound, and change it. I will change the speed on it. Perfect. So in this application, if you want to change the speed, you have to mark the voice. But before that, you can delete this empty spot. You see that? So that's make your sound better actually. And it's so easy for that. And then after, record all. Mark the record and go to effect. So change pitch. That's the normal. Hello guys, today we're gonna if you put it on higher.
Hello guys, today we're gonna record this video,
that's what
this
you
sound,
get.
and change it.
No one's gonna know your voice, and you can put it down. Actually, you will look like robot.
Hello guys, today we're gonna record this video, this sound, and change it. I will change.
Okay, so I'm gonna click cancel because I wanna show you how to change the speed. It change the speed. Effect, change speed. Change speed. If you put it on 1, it's normal. You can put it a little bit speeder and preview.
Hello guys, today we're gonna record this video, this sound, and change it. I will change the speed on it.
And can make it slow actually. That's nice. So that's it for today guys. It's so easy, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Help me make more clips in future. Thank you for watching.